Every conclusion that Mesher draws, every signal, every finding, every confidence score traces back to one source of truth, the raw EML file. Now, an EML file is the complete unaltered representation of an email. Here you'll see we have the full headers, the full metadata, routing information, original message content, and so on. Nothing here is interpreted. Nothing is summarized. It's just the email exactly as it existed before any forensics was performed on it. For investigators, that matters because at any point within a case, you may need to verify that Mesher's analysis accurately reflects what's actually in the file, cross-reference a specific technical detail, or simply present the raw, unmodified source material as part of your findings. Now, to access it, all you need to do is click on the raw button at any time within the analyzed email here. And what you'll see is the full raw file will open exactly as it was uploaded. Headers and body intact. Nothing changed, nothing filtered. Now, think of it as the chain of custody for your digital evidence. Mesher's analysis tools interpret and surface what's inside this file, but the file itself is always preserved and always accessible exactly as it was when you first uploaded it. So that's the EML viewer within Mesher. It's a small feature, but an important one for any investigator who needs to work with verifiable, unaltered source material. Okay, so that's all I have for you for now. I hope to see you over in the next one.